What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and are interested in learning how to make money online, I share tons of different methods on a daily basis. So please consider subscribing to the channel and join the team. And I'll also highly appreciate if you could smash the like button on this video if you have gotten any value. In today's video, I'll be sharing a method in making $100 or more per day, right? With affiliate marketing. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer. Alright guys, so let's look into how affiliate marketing works. So the first step is to join an affiliate network, and I will show you one of the best ones out there in a second. And then the second step would be to find a product, right, that you want to promote. And the third step is obviously to start promoting that particular product, track sales, and finally earn your commissions, right? Commissions are as high as 50%, 60, 70, and so on up to 90%. I'm actually going to show you one of the best affiliate networks out there in a moment. Like I said, in a nutshell, this is how affiliate marketing works. And now let's look into the best affiliate networks out there. Clickbank.com is a leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace, right? They literally make it super simple for you to promote products and generate your affiliate links, which I'm going to show you in a second. Let's look into what Clickbank is all about. So they operate in over 200 countries, and they have been in the game for over 20 years, and they have paid out over 4.2 billion, guys. To become an affiliate is pretty easy. It takes less than 5 minutes in my opinion. And go on, start promoting, and then join Clickbank. You would fill in a few details here, right? It's 100% free to join. So once you actually sign up and sign in, you'll be able to click on Marketplace, and from there you would come to this page here. From here you would be able to see categories here. So they have got tons of different categories that you can choose from and start promoting products as soon as possible. So let's look into health and fitness, right? It's a very popular category, of course. So these are some of the best selling products here. For this product here, Kinawa Flat Belly Tonic, the average pay is $126.55. So to promote this particular product, you would click on promote button over here, which we're going to do in a second. Let's just look into more products here. So research, one of the best selling products in this particular niche for a long time. The average pay for this one is $110.61. The Lost Book of Remedies, $41.74, and the list just goes on and on. So let's say we want to promote this one here. That is $126.55. You click on promote, you would enter your account nickname, and then tracking ID is optional. And when you click on a generate hop link, you will get a special link where you can track your sales and earn your commission. The second affiliate network is OfferVault, and this is more of a CPA platform, and they have tons of different products that you can promote, right? So this one has a payout of $7.35. This is $28, $20. So the pay varies, right? This is $3.50, and you can literally just pick a product here and start promoting. To join the network, you would click on register here, and it's pretty straightforward. You would just enter a few details and you'll be up and running. And finally, digistore24.com. So this is another marketplace where you can find tons of different products that you can promote. So let's look into the marketplace here and see what type of products are available. So you can literally choose a product that you believe in and start promoting. You can click on promote now and generate your link from there. And if you don't have an account, it's completely free to sign up. You click on register now and fill in a few details and you'll be up and running, right? So on the left hand side here, these are the different categories that you can go into and find a product, right? So some of the best categories are personal development, fitness and health, e-marketing education, family and kids, right? So the lists are endless to pick a product from, right? So this would be the third option. So to recap, you would sign up with an affiliate network like Clickbank or Digistore24, and then from there, once you sign up, you would pick a product and start promoting, right? So how could you actually promote your products, right? So there are different ways to do that. You can run a paid social media campaign like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and so on. The second option would be to use search engine optimization. So this might take a little bit longer, but it's still an option. And then third option would be to do blogging, and this has endless opportunities and endless potential. So you can share your affiliate link as many times as you would like. And if you don't enjoy writing, right, you can actually go over to this site here. Go over to iWriter.com, and you can literally find someone to do an article for you for very cheap, right? So let's click on pricing here. Content pricing. So they've got 4 different options. So the standard, so 150 words, you can get it for $1.40. 300 words for $2.20. 400 words for $2.75. 500 words for $3.30. And then the premium is a bit more expensive than the standard, and so on, right? So this is actually a way of outsourcing your articles if you don't enjoy writing, but if you do, then that's good, and you can start producing your articles and start promoting your product. And then the fourth way of promoting your affiliate product is to send monthly emails or newsletters, right? So if you have a list, this is a good option. The fifth option is to create helpful videos, for example, YouTube videos. So whatever product you're promoting, you can give a review about it and then share your affiliate link at the end in the description, for example, like in a YouTube video. And then the final option is to add a banner or buttons to your website. So these are how to promote your affiliate products. So choose which one suits you the most and go take action with it, and you can start making money by promoting your particular product that you have chosen. So I'm just gonna keep this video short, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, guys.